Are you tired of paying $50 or more for every single Coursera course? What if you could get full access and even earn free verified certificates without spending a dime? That is exactly what I am going to show you how to do right now. So here is the game plan. We are going to cover two methods. First, we will talk about auditing courses for free learning, and I will show you how to use free trials the smart way. All right, let's jump into the first method, which is auditing. This is the absolute best way to learn if you just want the knowledge and skills. Start by going to Coursera and searching for a course you are interested in. But here is a little tip from experience. Make sure you navigate to the specific course page itself. Do not land on the big specialization or certificate landing pages. You want to find the individual course within a program. Once you are on that individual course page, go ahead and click that big blue Enroll button. A window will pop up, and this is the key part. Instead of clicking the big button asking you to pay, look at the very bottom of that pop-up window. You will find a small, easy-to-miss link that says Audit the course. Click that. Now, what does auditing give you? You get access to all the video lectures, the readings, and most of the course materials for free. It is fantastic for learning. The only things locked away are the graded assignments and the final certificate. So if a certificate is not your top priority, this is your best friend. But let me guess. You probably do want that verified certificate, right? But what if you want to try something right now, without waiting 2 weeks? That is where our second method comes in: free trials and previews. For many standalone courses, you can actually preview entire modules for free before you enroll. Just look around the course page for a preview button. For the bigger specializations, Coursera offers a 7-day free trial. This gives you full access to everything in that whole program. Here is the catch, though. You have to remember to cancel your subscription before those 7 days end. If you forget, you will be charged. So set a reminder on your phone right now. So let us do a quick recap. You can audit any course for free to learn all the material. And you can use free previews and 7-day trials for instant access, as long as you set that cancellation reminder. The knowledge from top universities is already out there and completely accessible. You just have to know these little tricks to unlock it. Go ahead, pick a course and start learning today. I will see you in the next video.